Common English verbs in Lingala. To do.
Kosala.
I do my homework alone.
Nasalaka ba devoir na ngai nga moko.
You do it well.
Osalaka yango malamu.
He does that.
Asalaka yango.
She does paintings.
Asalaka peinture. Na Lingala makanja. Asalaka mayemi.
It does rolling.
Ebalukaka.
We do that.
Tosalaka yango.
You do excellent, Job.
Bosalaka musala kitoko makasi.
They do that perfectly.
Basalaka yango penza malamu.
English. Lingala. I do. Nazalina. You do. Ozalina. He, she, it does. Azalina. We do. Tozalina. You do. Bozalina. They do. Bazalina. To do in present continuous tense. I am doing. Nazalikosala. You are doing. Ozalikosala. We are doing. Tozalikosala. He is doing. Azalikosala. Ponamwana mobali. She's doing. Azalikosala. Ponamwana mwasi. It is doing. Izalikosala. Pona eloko. Tope banyama. You are doing. Bozalikosala. They are doing. Bazalikosala. To do in the future tense. Kosala nantango izalikoya. I will do. Nakosala. You will do. Okosala. He will do. Akosala. She will do. Akosala. It will do. Ikosala. We will do. Tokosala. You will do. Bokosala. They will do. Bakosala.